Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening VoiceSpice Recorder and granting mic permission so the app can capture clear audio. Tap the new recording button, choose MP3 for smaller files or WAV for highest fidelity. Set the sample rate to 44/100 Hz to match standard audio, and pick your input source, built-in mic for quick notes, external mic for broadcast quality voice. Once done, check levels, speak at normal volume and confirm the meter peaks without clipping, because that prevents distortion later. You now perform a short test take to verify levels and room noise. Hit preview for 5 to 10 seconds and watch the waveform. If peaks hit red, lower input gain, or move further from the mic. Enable noise reduction or the high-pass filter when you detect hum or low-frequency rumble, because that cleans the recording without rewriting performance. Once satisfied, arm the file for the full take and use the in-app markers to note important timestamps. This saves time during later edits. You finish by editing and exporting a clean file. Trim any silence, normalize to around -1.0 dB, and add brief fade-ins and fade-outs to eliminate clicks. These small steps improve perceived quality. Export as MP3 at 192 kbps for streaming or as WAV 16-bit for archiving. If the result sounds distorted, don't panic. Verify the original recording for clipping, reduce the input gain, and re-record, because fixing distortion is far harder than preventing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.